Hello guys, Steve here, ShinRC. I want to show you some modifications I did to my CC02 to make it work much better than stock. Let's dig in and look at it. Alright, I'll show you guys what I did here. Alright, I got a 55 turn motor, 17 tooth steel pinion gear, because I put an 80 turn motor in there at first with the transmission in the low gear ratio. It was super slow, so a 55 turn worked out nice with the size of the tires here, like normal size, a little hair larger. That worked really good. What I did to it, you'll see here, these look a little funky, don't they? That's because I ground the lump off of them. They used to have a high lump. I don't know why they did this. It would go here, then go up, then out real thick, and you would hang up on stuff. So now that I ground them smooth, it makes it like a normal link almost. Whereas before, like I said, it would be here and come up real high and you would get hung up on stuff because it wasn't smooth. So that's a nice mod you could do to yours. Just sand them flat and go on the edges and round them a little bit. That's what I did. It works much better. And the most improvement you could do is move the battery from where it goes in the back here to straight across the side here. You got to put your ESC here and your receiver over here on the front here. I just put mine down in there, and I'll show you what I did. I got two Velcros, and you'll see the chassis here. You got to grind. There's one of these lumped up spots to put a screw in. It's right there. Grind it off flat up against there so it's flat with the chassis on both sides. And then there's 3 of these lumped up screw hole things to screw a screw in. There's one here, one in the middle, and one here. And what I did was I got super glue on each top of these over here, and I super glued down the strap. I let it dry. After the Velcro was glued down, I punched the 2 holes, one here and one here, and then I used these little beveled screws just like that, and I screwed one in there and in there. Then after that, I put a section of this Tamiya. It's like a foam they give you in the kits. I stuck that down there and there, and it makes it flush, so when you put a battery in there, it also holds it from sliding around. And that mod, when the battery goes just like this, I'll just put this in really quick just to show you guys. And the battery's in like this, in this position. It weights down the front and makes it work so much better than the battery over here. So there it is, the modifications I did so far. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate all you guys as always. And thanks for watching. If you're new watching, hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.